In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your phone number from Facebook. It's a straightforward process, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure your number is removed correctly. Let's get started. First, open your Facebook account by heading over to the Facebook website. Make sure you're logged in with the account from which you want to remove the phone number. Now, once you're on your Facebook homepage, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. Next, from this menu, you'll want to click on Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a submenu where you'll find the Settings option. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is where you can access a variety of account settings to manage your Facebook profile. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look for the Accounts Center. This is where all your linked accounts and contact information are managed. Once you find it, click on Accounts Center. You'll be directed to a new page that shows your account settings in more detail. On this page, find the section labeled Contact Info. It might be labeled as a box or a tab. Click on it to view all the contact information that's currently linked to your Facebook account. Here, you'll see a list of all the phone numbers and email addresses associated with your profile. To remove a phone number, simply click on the phone number you wish to delete. A new window or section should appear showing more details about this specific contact point. You're almost there. In this section, look for an option that says Delete Number or something similar. Once you find it, click on Delete Number. Facebook might prompt you with a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to remove the number. Confirm your choice, and just like that, your phone number will be removed from your Facebook account. Remember, removing your phone number from Facebook can affect certain features like account recovery options or login approvals, so be sure this is what you want to do. If you ever need to add a phone number back to your account, you can do so by following similar steps and choosing to add a new contact point. And there you have it. You've successfully removed your phone number from Facebook. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.